Here I have Nokia G20, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, just go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. By tapping on this button, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can also access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions. It could be people, so it could be conversations, calls, messages. You can add shared contact, anyone or nobody to the exceptions. You can also add repeat callers. If the same person calls a second time within 15-minute period, this call will be also added to the exceptions. Same goes to messages. You can also add apps to the exceptions. Other interruptions like alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, calendar events. You have the schedule for this mode too. You can pick days on which it will be active, start time, end time, and you can rename it. You can also set default duration for this mode here, and you can hide notifications. You can disable sound from notifications, or you can also disable visuals and sound from notifications, or you can customize it here for yourself, what you want to disable and what not. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.